And then yellow is Africa, green is Slytherin, blue is Raven.
So did we punch all the blocks yet?
Before I'm about to get to the Toadstool Cafe, the bad news is there's a long line, so I have to get in there. And especially about the reservation, whenever you're next in line, this is gonna be longer and harder to wait in line than I thought. But let's see.
They can only re-enter the land at 2:45.
Bad news, everybody. So, yeah, upon the entry, one of the manager of this restaurant informed me that lots of reservation tickets has been sold out and I won't able to get any. So I have to come back about March 9th with my early access. But I'll be sure to return. As for the games, I don't think I don't have time for it, but I could come back for, another try at the games. The port says that it opens at 9 o'clock, but with the early access ticket, I could get in 8 o'clock early. So now I can spend here. Come on, let's see if we can find the exit. Who knows, we can find a restaurant so I can find something to eat. But it's gonna be lower priced. I was thinking burgers, whatever it is I like to eat. Exit should be this way. I'm sad I won't be able to stay longer, but I'm sure I can make another reservation for another time. But after I eat the lunch. I'm not sure if this is the right exit. Oh, okay, the exit is this way to the left. This way. Right this way to the exit. I may not able to get that tomato soup and a Mario burger, but I don't think I could get any of them. I'll just eat something else. Something like a Jurassic burger or whatever the food's on store. Something that makes me hungry. Perhaps fish and chips. Let's go. There it is, guys. That's Mel's Diner. It must be Uncle Woody Woodpecker's favorite restaurant ever since long time ago. Boy, I'm starving. I'm sorry I won't be able to get to the Toadstool Cafe until March 9th, where I'm coming back. Maybe eating an alternative burger or a chili cheese dog might be like good alternative of Toadstool burger. Okay, ready or not, here I come. Okay, here I am. Good thing I got my hoodie, and I take my gloves off for eating. Since I have human hands, while the rest of my body, excluding my hands, are covered in feathers. Now, I'll show you how much it costs. It's $15.32. That means that would be $16. So I would suggest you, if you want to eat a burger like this, I would suggest bringing $20 for that. Let's see. I got Mel's Classic Burger. And that wind. It's Frankenstein and the Bride of Frankenstein. Wow. They sure are gentle with customers eating. Huh. Looks like I better finish eating before I for selfie with the monsters. I'm just putting the lettuce back in the burger. I don't know why they fell.